Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, IT department at Asher College in Sacramento now offering free computer repair. Asher College recently announced that their IT department will be reintroducing a popular service at their Sacramento campus, the PC Repair Clinic. A completely free service, the PC Repair Clinic is open to the public in and around Sacramento, California. Members of the local community may make an appointment with the PC Repair Clinic to drop off their broken or malfunctioning computers at Asher College. The PC Clinic offers free repair, virus removal, installations, and maintenance. The work is performed by students currently enrolled in Asher's information technology programs and is supervised by Asher instructors. Asher's PC Repair Clinic is valuable for students and the public alike. The IT students get real-world, hands-on experience in their field, and the Sacramento community gets free help fixing and maintaining their computers. Campus Director Linda Freeman notes that Asher College has had the privilege of serving the greater Sacramento community through our PC Clinic for 6 years. This service is open to the public and allows Asher students to intake, diagnose, and when feasible, fix a wide variety of computers under the supervision of a certified instructor. She added that it gives Asher students the hands-on experience and customer service expertise they need to be successful in IT professionals, and that Asher College looks forward to many more years of this commitment to students and the community as well. If you are interested in scheduling an appointment with the PC Repair Clinic at Asher College in Sacramento, call 916-672-2606. Computers are accepted for drop-off each Thursday from 2 to 5 p.m., and repairs will take place Thursday and Friday. The Asher campus is located at 1215 Howe Avenue in Suite 101 in Sacramento, California. Asher College is an ACCET accredited vocational career college with locations in Dallas, Texas, Sacramento, California, and Las Vegas, Nevada. All 3 Asher College locations offer programs in a number of areas, including information technology career training, medical career training, computer career training, and business career training. Financial aid, Title IV funding, and veteran training benefits are available to those who qualify. To learn more, visit their website, asher.edu. To learn more about this video news release, visit prreach.com.